This is Nokia 220, and today I would like to show how you can turn on speaker during the phone call on this device. So to start, you obviously gotta be at the phone call, so let me quickly dial some random number. And then once you are at the phone call, simply tap at this middle button or main menu button. And as you can see, once this speaker icon is filled with black and the icon itself is red rather than white, that means that you have successfully put this phone into the hands-free or put this call into the hands-free or speaker mode. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.